A Caldwell state representative and a local advocacy group are pushing for changes to the state's child protection system. They say reform bills aimed at preventing wrongful child removals still haven't received a hearing, even midway through the 2026 legislative session. I'm your Kenny neighborhood reporter, Victoria Rodriguez, and I was at Tuesday's press conference where families shared their experiences and urged lawmakers to take action.
I just think car registration stickers versus child trafficking, it's just, I don't understand how this logic is continued to be ignored.
Tuesday afternoon, community members gathered at the Hillcrest Library in Boise for what organizers called a call to action. As we've previously reported, a local parents' rights organization led by Christine McCreary is working alongside Republican Representative Lucas Kaler of Caldwell to push for 5 child welfare reform bills. Supporters say the proposals include what they call medical kidnap protections, changes to medical neglect definitions, updates to the child abuse registry process, additional social work training requirements, and amendments to Idaho's Child Protective Act.
The point being is that there is absolutely a case to be made that CPS gets involved in cases that they should not.
They say the bills would add what they describe as guardrails to Idaho's child protection system.
We're not trying to take away power from the department. We're just putting up those guardrails so they stay in their lane.
The proposed legislation is currently waiting for an introductory hearing before the House Health and Welfare Committee. Supporters say they've met multiple times with lawmakers and officials from the Idaho Department of Health and Welfare to address concerns and revise language. But with the session now halfway over, they say they're hoping to see the proposals scheduled soon so the process can continue.
The concerns, the issues affect everyone, and all of them share in those concerns. And the thing is we have the majority votes to get these bills passed, and they just need to have that hearing.
Several families at Tuesday's conference shared their own experiences with Child Protective Services.
We went through an extensive examination. They determined we weren't, neglectful or abusive. So I've been through it. I know what it's like, and it's hell.
My kids are being raised by someone that person was dealing fentanyl across the street from high school. She has that kid and gets to be a parent to my kids for no reason.
Representative Kaler says they still have a couple of weeks, but says it's crunch time to get these bills heard. In Boise, I'm your neighborhood reporter, Victoria Rodriguez for Idaho News 6.